Okay, good to see you again, Leroy. We're here at the Blade Show in Atlanta, Georgia. I've got some premier old Italian picklock switchblades. Some of my favorites this year. The Korikama, Latama, Imco, Elio. I'm partial to the large stag picklocks, such as this one, picklock. You pull the lock tab out and close the blade. This is a unique, very rare Korikama crisp blade, they call it. The wavy blade is called a crisp blade, and it's a Korikama. Beautiful piece.
Is that a particular style, that wavy blade?
It's called crisp blade, the crisp blade. K-R-I-S-S, crisp.
Are a lot of them like that? Or?
No, they're pretty rare. This particular Latama is called a skinnier Latama. The bolsters, the guards on the bolsters are very skinny. They made this for just a few in the late 40s, between the flat guards and the regular guards on the newer on the other Latamas. This is a 1950s Latama. Yeah, Latama. And then a very nice steel line Korikama, 13 inch.
What kind of handle material do you usually come in?
Excuse me?
Do you come in stag and bone or what?
Yeah, stag and horn.
You got the original spring in it. It's a dovetailed spring.
Steel liners. You got steel liners instead of brass. Just a little more unique and rare.
I'm not sure I know the difference. What's your favorite?
You look at any
Oh, all of them.
newer knives
I have an
here,
affection
the
for all of them.
bolsters, You look down inside the line.
I like
It's got a D stamp there.
I like the stamp Elio, E-L-I-O,
They're all handmade.
and it's the setting sun
Bolsters,
over the water.
these
It's called
F-guards,
Elio. This particular knife
piece goes down,
is
goes
what they
underneath.
call a fulcrum
These are
release.
soldered on
Fulcrum.
to the brass
You
liner.
just press that to release the blade. And then it's a normal switchblade after that.
It's a pivot point. Make this
Elio.
pivot rocker. That's a pin bracket.
All from Italy.
That's what it is. It's
All
soldered.
Italian, all 1950s and older.
That's what makes that rock.
I've got some flat guards.
Walk all the way down the hallway to as far as you can go.
This
and then go
particular
back.
flat guard has brass bolsters, as you can see, but the guards are flat. These were made in the 20s and 30s and earlier. They were all before the war. World War I as well as World War II. Then they went to the round bolster. Flat guards are much older, yeah. They're more valuable because of it.
How about the steel liners? Are they more modern or how's that?
No, they're not. They're also 1950s, but they didn't make very many of them, so they're very rare.
That's a nice piece.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Mark.
Thank you.